on, Bray. You ain't say the head game.
Warrior, back to Barbados. Wanna know what my waist does? I pelt it like big rocks. I ain't need training, just need my trainers. So let we step out. I swear down, I'm about to walk out real bad. You must think.
What do you think? I feel like a baby in this thing. Pretty sweet though. Fuck with
it. All right, we're getting the alignment. Let's see what we can make happen.
Don't be so quick to walk away.
All right, car is up on the rack.
Please stay. Dance with me, stay. Dance with me. You don't have to.
Look underneath the car because I gotta change the rack. 100%. You can see it dripping. All right, I was driving today and I'm like, man, my wheel is wobbling. Look at this. Wanna know why? Can you see it? Yep. All right, so we're all aligned. The car is running great. The alignment specs are great on it. The only thing that sucks is getting it onto the trailer. I need some race ramps. That's what I need. I have a lot of wood, but I gotta redo this whole setup. So she's all done. Look how wide this thing is. Like, it's crazy. So when we were on the dyno, it was really hard to roll this car. And come to find out, it was the hydro brake. The way I had it adjusted, it was putting pressure on the brakes. So now, trying to show you, I'm gonna move this with my foot. And now I can roll it and move it easily. Couldn't do that before. So you can't tell in the video a lot, but it was just dragging a little bit. Hey Sean, tell the people, see how my tire is wearing?
Oh yeah.
So something's up, I gotta check it. And from the last clip, and now Scott is here.
Scott's the man to do a fix it.
Well, try.
I'm here for moral support. Point and direct.
All right, let's do this.